Increasing customer acquisition cost or CAC is a big challenge for any business. This means that you are spending more to get the same number of leads. It eats into your profit margin and reduces the return on ad spend or ROAS. As a performance marketer, how can you bring down the cost of customer acquisition? Before we get into the details, let's understand a bit more about CAC by asking the following questions. How is CAC currently measured? What is the current CAC and to what extent do we want to reduce it? How do we currently generate leads? Do the customers have a monthly or annual recurring model of payment? Based on these answers, you should be able to figure out CAC is greater than the industry average. So you need to invest in marketing activities that are cost effective and can give you the results you need to reduce the overall CAC. Understanding historical data and past trends is important because it forms the foundation on which you will build your strategy. It is important to know how you charge your customers because this will determine how you calculate ROAS for the paid ads and the campaign's overall return on investment. All these metrics are closely linked to CAC. Let's step into the shoes of a digital marketing manager for a fintech company and work together to solve this issue. Now, websites are designed keeping in mind the end user. An ideal website would cater to buyers in various stages of journeys. As a marketer, one should be able to capture the interest of prospects who are in the consideration or shopping phase and easily convert the prospects in the purchase stage who are ready to make a purchase. As we move through the marketing funnel, you will notice that there are drop-offs at every stage. If you can reduce this spillage, CAC will automatically come down. This is the standard way of looking at it. Let's look into the first way of bringing down CAC, which is email marketing. Send out targeted campaigns to customers who have explicitly shown interest in your product, subscribed to a newsletter, had earlier requested a consultation call, or someone whom you met at an event. You must keep these customers engaged with useful, non-promotional information. This would increase your brand's top of mind recall, and whenever they are ready to buy, you guessed it right, they will think of you.